Hey gang, I'm going to take you on a bit of a tour of Kai's room. Obviously it has these absolutely amazing rake ceilings, but I thought let's not just have a white rake ceiling, let's stick a colour on it. So Ocean Current by Dulux it's quite a statement colour. You know, in this room it's obviously the first thing you look at, and that was the goal. I wanted everyone to kind of walk into this room and go, at the height. Nailing that colour and having it a really substantial, nice, rich green was really important, and I think that the Ocean Current was probably perfect for that. So you can see behind me we have these fabulous built-in beds, and I wanted to do 2 beds because I wanted that even balance in this room. We've added some wallpaper, a nice little study nook for him, which is gorgeous. And then it was just all about the styling. We wanted to keep the styling really young, really fresh. Neon lights are key. We use them all the time. I actually use them in our games room, in my boys' room. You know, it's so cool. The kids will love this room.